Hello everyone, so welcome back to homemade warthog videos. I'm recording with my computer this time, trying something different, but got some glue here. Some Pro Bond Advanced. It's Elmer's glue. Really anything you can glue styrofoam together will work. I just got, see, for the flat part down here, or the flat part that's right there, I'm working on making this. Let's see the angle so I can see it. Making that flat. Yeah, flat and thin. I'm also carving in line right here to make it curved, like we need it to be. So, I had another piece here for this. I don't know where it went though. Shoot. Fell on the floor. Nope. Not from the looks of it. Dang it. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, this styrofoam isn't wide enough, so I'm adding a little extra piece to the end. Should reverse that. Just making a slight adjustment to it. Yeah, I need a new piece. A nice clean cut. One. A nice clean cut on the outside. Not a dirty cut. Just gotta make this new piece thin. The outside of this a little bit thinner because it needs to be. Made it a little too thick. Yeah, and all we're doing in this video is I'm going to show you how to work with this styrofoam a little bit. Again, based on my limited knowledge of this. I'm pretty much making this project up as I go. Oh, that's nice. That'll work. So now, I've taken my glue. I'm going to drizzle this part with glue. And then I'm going to attach this part to it. And hopefully this will dry. Like I said, making this up as I go. Like I just cut off layers from this. See, look how rough this is. I just cut that off. Cut this whole sheet off. You can do that if you have styrofoam like that, but it's not highly recommended. I need to clean my workbench off. All this stuff is just from the project thus far. So mainly making the template. Yeah. Glue's not drying doesn't dry very quickly. At least this stuff doesn't. This stuff should work for my purposes. Just carving this part out a little bit more. Yeah, that's gonna be nice and that'll work now. Nice and thin, perfect for the curve. Look at that nice curve that's gonna be in it. There we go. Now when that glue dries, which should dry by tomorrow, I will be doing some more work. Be making a few more pieces. And we'll be making the rest of this. So, yeah, but right now, I'm gonna go grab something. I think it's something to elevate that level. That won't work. Oh, that's a nice styrofoam in there. Need another. I'll see if one of these Easter eggs works. I got all these Easter eggs for model rockets. Like this video if you want to see me make some model rockets. Ooh, that might work. How high that elevates the platform. Will that be too high? I don't know, because I'm going to do this in the back as well. Yeah. Would that be? I need to go higher. What if I do the thin part down there? What if I do it this way? Yeah, this Easter egg is not going to work. Maybe I'll just... Yeah, I'll find something else. Yeah, but I'm going to do another video on how to make homemade model rockets. I think that would be a really fun thing. You guys will probably enjoy it. But until then, nothing in there would work. No, that doesn't work. Well, I'm sure I'm gonna find something. Maybe I'll just elevate it. Ooh, that might be perfect. That might be a perfect elevation. Oh, real high. Yeah, that's gonna be too high. I want the inside to be a little bit higher. Because this is too low. I want to be elevated like that high. I'm just gonna... Keep off a little bit of there. Oh yeah, this'll work. This'll work perfectly. That'll be perfect. I don't have my tape down here. I was using it for another project upstairs. Yeah. Well, that's what I'm gonna do. I need to make some more cuts and some more pieces, but that's about everything I need to do. I'm gonna start all this stuff together soon. You don't have to do this, because remember I'm going to be attaching this back here, attaching this to there. Yep. Because this is going to control the headlights and taillights. I'll look for something more complicated, but I don't have the circuit board to do it. Yeah. Well, I think that's going to wrap it up for this episode of How to Make a Homemade Halo Warthog. If you like this video, well, if you like the video, do like and subscribe. But also tell other people to subscribe to my channel. I could really use the subscribers. But if there's anything else you would like to see on my channel, or any more projects I want to see, just leave a comment or tweet me. I got a Twitter page. The link to my Twitter page is in the description below. But I will see you all in the next video. Bye.